Hi, I'm Emma, and over the next few months, maybe even longer, I'm going to be sharing with you all my different role plays that I use in my lessons. I find they work really well. They help keep children engaged and help them to teach things through play, and we all know children learn much better through play. It's been proved that it might take 80 to 100 repetitions for someone to learn something, but if it's through play, it'll all take 10 to 20, so it's so much more effective. So today's theme is all about food, and we're going to be takeaway delivery drivers today. So we're going to get the children in and we'll have our normal warm-up where we'll talk about what strokes we're going to do that lesson. So it might be that we do a bit of splashing for a bit of fun, and then we might do some paddles, we might do some kicks. But today we're going to do all about pizzas and pizza delivery. So we're going to do our round arms, making sure we go around the pizza and then cutting a slice up the middle. And we're going to practice this a few times in the warm-up, and then we're going to talk about our froggy legs, how our feet come back and then out and snapping back together. And we'll let them practice that. Obviously, some younger children aren't going to be able to do that, but they can still do it a little bit, you know, just if the parent gets hold of their legs and does them while they're on their back for them. The main one though is going to be their arms. Also do lots of other things as well, like we might do a bit of rotation, a bit of floating. It's all in the description and you'll see what we're going to do as I go on. So first of all, once we've done the warm-up, we're going to get them to go to a side wall, or maybe you want to do lengths, whatever. And we're going to introduce them to the pizza. Now it's just an old armband that we've got, and we're going to pretend this is the pizza. Children are really good at making beliefs, so don't worry, you could use anything. You might use kickboards and do square pizzas. Yeah. So we're going to scatter them about. We're then going to ask the children what number house they live at, and maybe they know, maybe they don't, but either way, we'll make some houses for them to live them to. So you could potentially put a woggle kind of in the step area, push it against the step so you've got a hole there. You might be able to adapt a sinking hoop and put stick woggles around. So all I've done here is I've just cut the woggle in half and stuck it in. I do have matching colours, so we could have number 2 with the green door and number 4 with the multicoloured door. We only want 2 houses, that's enough. And we'll send them different ways. So then the children have then to do their round pizza arms, cutting the slice as they go to deliver the pizzas to each house. And they knock on the door, hello, pizza delivery, and then they put it in, makes it a little bit more fun for them. They're going to do 2 pizzas each, 2 pizzas to number 2, 2 pizzas to number 4. Once they've done that, we're going to get a phone call back at head office, and they're going to be like, oh no, they love the pizza, they were so tasty, they love all the cheese on them and all that, but they were too hot. So this time, when we deliver them again, can we blow on them as we cut the slice? So we're going to get them to as they're swimming out to get the pizzas, and then they'll deliver them again. Hello, pizza delivery, and put them in the house. After we've done that, the people are going to phone up and they're still going to be hungry because they are so greedy. They love takeaway pizzas. So we're going to put a pizza on the wall at the other side, and we're going to get them to do an express delivery. Express deliveries, they have to stretch out their arms, they have to put their face in the water, they have to push off, and they have to kick all the way to a house and deliver it. Knock knock, pizza delivery, there you go. But can you believe it? They're phoning again. They want more food, but this time they've heard we do the best pancakes, so they're wanting pancake delivery, please. So we're going to get them to do a nice float on their backs, with their head in, chest up, legs nice and straight, because nobody likes lumpy pancakes. And we're going to 1, 2, 3, flip over, and then we're going to do their tummy with their face in if they will, or their face out if they won't. 1, 2, 3, flip over, and then we're going to kick all the way to one of the houses, sprinkling sugar on ourselves as we go. So once we've done the pancakes, we'll come back and we're like, oh no, they ordered 2. We need to do another one. So 1, 2, 3, flip over. 1, 2, 3, flip over. 1, 2, 3. Sprinkle sugar on yourself as you kick to the house. Other things you could do is you could do donuts. We could get them to turn around doing donuts. Trying to think what else there is. Other things as well. yeah, so we could also do pizza delivery on a bike. You could get a woggle like this, and you could take the handlebars for the bike, and put it on. There we go, we've got a motorbike now to take the pizza to the house. So once we've done all that, we can, if we've still got time, we could play like a game like eggs for breakfast, where we put egg flips or balls in the centre, so everyone's in a circle, and we lay down, we go to sleep, and then wake up, eggs for breakfast, and everyone's got to try and grab as many eggs as they can. That's another food thing one. We could do jelly on the plate, a bit of wobble boarding, but we've probably used up all the time doing those activities, delivering the pizzas and the donuts and the pancakes. We are then going to get into the centre, and we're going to talk about how we did our round arms. Maybe they did their froggy legs, we'll go over that again, and why we blew them to cool them down. And then we're going to sing some food-related songs, kind of 3 currant buns in a baker shop, 3 fat sausages sizzling in a pan, chicken, jelly on the plate, and we'll do that and sing goodbye. So for the babies, we're going to do lots of pancakes, lots of flipping over, so flip over. They could do the donuts where they turn around. We're going to do lots of holding on. We want them to get used to holding on and turning off the wall as well. Toy wise, I bought some dog toys actually. So I've got lots of things like this, like just squishy ones. They can just stick them in the wash after the week's over. We've also got some real fruit. Let me get that. We've got will it sink, will it float? So it's quite interesting. I've been asking some of the older children today, and more often than not they've got it wrong. So we've got a big orange, a medium-sized lemon and a little lime. And we're going to ask them, and they all think the orange will sink and everything else will float, where in actual fact the lime will sink and everything else floats. Down it goes. Alright, thank you. So that was food, that was takeout delivery food. So I'm going to film the next one for next week, and it's going to be food eating in. Thank you, bye.